In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up apps in Surveymonkey, and we'll get it all done in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to log into your Surveymonkey account. This is your starting point for accessing and integrating the great tools that Surveymonkey can connect with. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, you need to choose the survey you'd like to work with. Look through your list of surveys and click on the one you want to integrate with an app. This step is crucial because integrating apps will help enhance the functionality and efficiency of your survey results, so picking the right survey is key. Next, navigate to the Connect Apps section. This is where things start to get exciting because Surveymonkey offers a variety of third-party apps that you can seamlessly integrate. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow with automation tools or sync your data with other services, this section is where you'll find numerous possibilities to expand the capabilities of your survey. Now, it's time to browse or search for the specific app you wish to connect. Surveymonkey supports a range of popular applications such as Zapier, MailChimp, and Salesforce, among others. Use the search bar to quickly find the app you're interested in, or take your time to peruse through the available options until you find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've identified the app you'd like to add, click on the app's icon to get more information. This page will usually provide you with a brief overview of what the app does and how it can enhance your survey functionality. After reviewing this, go ahead and click Connect or Install. This action will begin the integration process connecting the app to your Surveymonkey account. The final step involves following the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the specific steps necessary to complete the integration process. Depending on the app, you might need to provide additional permissions or authentication details. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful setup. And there you have it. Once all the prompts are completed, your chosen app will be connected to your Surveymonkey account, ready to help you gather and analyze data more efficiently than ever before. Setting up apps with Surveymonkey is a powerful way to enhance your surveys, extend their functionality, and optimize your workflow. With just a few clicks, you can integrate tools that automate processes, sync data seamlessly, and provide valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and now you're equipped to explore all the possibilities that Surveymonkey apps have to offer.